The XS3 DSM02 comes with 3D camera lenses 8毫米、16毫米 and 35毫米。Today we will see how each lens impacts modeling accuracy and their unique strengths.